Okay, so today we will cover this end cap, then bush big end, then bush small end. Okay, so first we cover end cap. Okay, so that is the dimension here. If you look at here, so this one is section A. So now this one is section A. This head portion is there have a material which is total is 30 distance. So middle one is 15 symmetrical. This one is 12 and this distance is 17. Okay, and at total from this line to that line is distance is 25 and from this to that line is the 23 and from this to that one is 21. There have a three radius. First is R21 smaller one, then middle one is R23 and then upper one is R25. Okay, so after that then we can create two circle which is 55 is the two circle between two circle distance. This one is 6 is the diameter. Okay, so first create here suppose YZ plane and then go to the sketch. So suppose select here which is dimension. First one is from this point to that point is 21. Okay, so now this one is 21 is the distance. Take from the middle. Okay, so this one is 21, then create one line here from this to that which is 15. One side is 15, so another side also 15. You can mirror it or you can create also this one is another 15. Okay. Then from this to that distance is 4. Okay, so this one is 4, that is 4 distance, and now we can create here. Okay, this one is 2, distance is 2 here, so now this one is 2 and create one line from here to here. Okay, so now this one is another line. Now you can mirror it. Suppose select this one and select that one and then go to the mirror and select this line. Okay, so now this one is mirror. So after that just select this one and delete it, and also this is not required. Select one and delete it. Okay, so we can create one axis here which is from the horizontal. So this distance is now 21. This point to that distance is 23 and this point to that distance is 25, which is already shown in the manual. Okay, so here exit workbench, and then how to rotate. This one is 180 because this one is not rotated in the 360 mode. This one is only 180. So here shaft. So now this one is 180 here and PBV. So now this one is 180 reverse. You can rotate. Okay. After that we can create. After that here select select this plane. Okay, this XY plane, perpendicular plane, and we can create here which is 17 and 22. 12. So we can create here one rectangle from here. Okay, and must be symmetrical. So this one is 17. This one is 12. And this one should be symmetrical, so we can create from this to that distance is must be 6. Okay, so now this one should be symmetrical, and then exit, and then here pad it. Pad means this one is how much? 60. Here 67 total distance. Here we can see here this one is 67 total distance. So 67 by 2. So with mirror extend, Okay, 67 by 2 means 33.5. Okay, so now this one is 33.5 and cubic feet. So now this one is 33.5. Now suppose select this face and sketch. Okay, select this face and sketch. Here create project 3D element. This one is project 3D element. Just select this one. So now these are automatically projected by yellow color. Okay, this one is projected by yellow color. Okay, so now this one is projected here. Next, create one line from here to here. So now this one is join. How to check this? This one is join or not? Go to the tools and sketch analysis. So now this one should be closed. In every time you can change, you can check in the project 3D element. Okay, so that is closed. This one. So now this one is closed. Then exit here and then pocket it. So now this one is pocket. Okay, so now this one is pocket. And then select this face and sketch. Okay, select this face and sketch and create one line here. Okay, create one line here which is 55 is the total distance. So this one is should be 27.5. Okay, that is the center distance. And now we can create here one circle. We can create here one circle which is diameter is 6 in the figure, which is diameter is 6, and then okay and select this one and delete this one. So now this one is deleted and then exit. Okay, so now this one is pocketed. Okay, through pocket. So now this one is pocket. And how to create 3D mirror? Just select this pocket from the specification tree or history tree and then mirror it, mirror with respect to this xy plane. So now this one is mirrored it. That is called 3D mirror. Okay, so already shown in the 3D mirror. So this is called end cap. This is called end cap as per dimension. Just you can check here. So as per dimension, this one is created. Okay, so that is called end cap. Okay, so everyone practice as per your timing. Okay, so that is end cap.